Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning brand new Range Rover Sport D350 mild hybrid HST in Hakuba Silver. You have the carbon fibre exterior pack, giving the car a real sporty vibe. Privacy glass, keeping your personal items safe. 21-inch gloss black alloys. A powered tailgate, which is handy if you've ever got your hands full. As you can see, the mats are ready to go into the car, but you have plenty of space there in the boot and can also put the seats down if you do need more room. And you can press that button to close it. Carrying on round the vehicle and going to the front, you also have keyless entry. So I can tap that button and it will lock, and the same for unlocking as long as the key's nearby. Illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a gorgeous two-tone leather interior, and it also has some suede parts. You also have suede steering wheel and gear stick, giving that luxury feel. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice on a sunny day like today, or just for some fresh air. You also have heated front seats and heated seats in the back, ensuring all passengers have a luxury journey. Various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving. Comfort, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl, or you can push it back down for auto. Touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect to your phone. A rear view camera which makes parking and reversing so much easier. You also have Bluetooth to connect to your phone and can use these buttons on the wheel to make calls whilst on the go. Speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor all make driving along the motorway safer and easier. A heated steering wheel, which is definitely nice on a cold winter morning. Memory seats, which is ideal if there's several people driving the vehicle, and a Meridian sound system. As I said, this car is brand new, therefore has only done 13 miles. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a gorgeous Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.